Geobyte.
Hi friends, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss a very simple trick to find the square of any two-digit number like 54 square, 5.4 square or 0.54 square, etc. In the last video also, we have discussed a trick to find the square of any two-digit method, but this is the different method. Dear friends, whatever the method you understood in the better way, you can follow that approach. Anyhow, my request is you please watch till the end of the video. After listening clearly, you try to practice some more problems by your own. While you are practicing, if you find any doubt, you please send your doubt to GeoByte. Definitely I will answer all your doubts. Anyhow, once you understand this method, it can be possible to complete the square of any two-digit number just within 2 seconds. Shall we start? Yes, let us start. Look at the number 54 square. Dear friends, please focus on the trick what I am explaining. First square this 4. What is the 4 square? 16. Then squaring the 5. 5 square equal to 25. Okay na? Then you multiply 5 and 4. That value should be multiplied with 2. It means 5 into 4 is 20 into 2 40. Just leave the unit place. Write that 40 here. Add these two. 6 1 9 2. 2916 be the value of 54 square. I hope you clearly understood. Now come to the 5.4 whole square. First what you do is, you first write the 54 square value 2916. 5.4 is 5.4 whole square equal to what? 5.4 into 5.4. You just count how many digits are there after the decimal. This is 1, 2. So after two places from the right, you mark the decimal point for getting your answer. You got your answer. 29.16 be the value of 5.4 whole square. I hope you clearly understood. Similarly, for 0.54 whole square also, first write the value of 54 square, that is 2916. But what is the 0.54 whole square? 0.54 into 0.54, isn't it? Then count the number of digits after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you mark the decimal point after 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. You place the decimal point here for getting the answer. It means 0.54 square is equal to 0.2916. See how simply you are getting your answers. I hope all of you clearly understood. Similarly, look at the numbers 96 whole square. For this, what should you do? First squaring the 6. 6 square is 36. Squaring the 9. 9 square equal to 81. Then multiply 9 and 6. That value should be multiplied with 2. 9 into 6. 54 into 2 equal to what? 108. 108. You leave the one place. Write the 108 here. You add these two for getting the answer. 6, 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. you write 1 here, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 1, 2, and the 8 plus 1 is 9. 9216. 9216 be the value of 96 whole square. See how easily we are getting the answer. Similarly, for the 9.6 whole square also, you first write this value 9216, 9216. You know this 9.6 whole square equal to what? 9.6 into 9.6. You count the number of digits 1, 2 after decimal. After 2 places, you mark the decimal point for getting your answer. 92.16 be the value of 9.6 whole square. Similarly, look at the 0.96 whole square. For the 0.96 whole square also, write this value 9216. Then this 0.96 whole square you can write as 0.96 into 0.96. Then you count how many digits are there after decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you place the decimal after 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. You place the decimal here, decimal point. Then 0.9216 be the value of 0.96 whole square. See how simply you are getting the answer. In the same way, look at the numbering 99 whole square. First you square this 9, 81. Then squaring this other 9, 81. Then multiply 9 and 9. 9 into 9 equal to what? 81. 81 into 2 equal to 162. You leave the unit place, write the 162. Add these two. 1, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 0 here. 1 carry forward. Then 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 8. And this 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 9801 is the value of 99 whole square. Is it not easy? Can't you get the answer just within 2 seconds? Since I have been explaining the each and every point, it is taking some time, but I can give the answer just within 2 seconds. Similarly, for 9.9 whole square, you first write this value 9801. 9.9 whole square can be written as 9.9 into 9.9. You count the number of digits after the decimal point. 2, this is 1, this other one 2. You mark the decimal point after the 2 places. 1, 2. You mark the decimal point here. So 98.01 be the value of 9.9 whole square. Similarly, look at the 0.99 whole square. For the 0.99 whole square also, write the 9801 first. 9801. After that, you know how to simplify it. This 0.99 whole square I can write as 0.99 into 0.99. Then you count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4. After the 4 places you mark the decimal. 2, 3, 4. You mark the decimal point. So 0.9801 be the value of 0.99 whole square. Similarly, look at the number 18 square. This 18 square can be done like this. First squaring the 8 equal to 64. Then squaring the 1 equal to 1, but write in terms of 2 digits. Then you multiply 1 and 8 equal to 8 into 2, 16. You leave the unit place, write the 16, add them for getting the answer. 4, 6 plus 6, 12. Write 1 here, 2. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, how much? 3. 324 be the value of 18 square. Then for getting the 1.8 whole square, you take this number 324. Then 1.8 square equal to 1.8 into 1.8 only. The number of digits after decimal point is 1, 2. After 2 places you mark the decimal point for getting your answer. 3.24 be the value of 1.8 whole square. Is it not easy? Yes. Similarly, 0.18 whole square. For the 0.18 whole square also, you take this value 324. Then this 0.18 whole square you can write as 0.18 into 0.18. You count the number of digits after the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4. You mark the decimal point after 4 places. 1, 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is no digit for the fourth place. You make a 0. Then mark the point, decimal point 0.0324 be the value of 0.18 whole square. I hope all of you clearly understood. Shall I give some practice problems for you? Yes, let me give some practice problems. You please try to practice these problems, my dear friends. 20, 29 whole square, 2.9 whole square, 0.29 whole square. Similarly, 58 whole square, 5.8 whole square, 0.58 whole square. The other list, 79 whole square, 7.9 whole square and 0.79 whole square. Dear friends, you please practice these 9 problems. While you are practicing, if you find any doubt, you please send your doubt to GeoByte. Definitely, I will answer within 24 hours. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.